Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how you can create a double exposure effect in Canva. Like this, let's start our video. First of all, select the canvas, then come to the elements, select the picture, flip it, crop it, and adjust it. Okay, and also remove its background. Now, select another image, crop it to half, click on apps, and type easy reflection. Click on easy reflection, select the image, create reflection, left, right, where you want, left, offset up to 60, and opacity should be 100. Add to design. Now delete this one, expand it, and flip it. Okay. Now select the color, pick the color with the pick tool, and select gradient. The other color is should be this and this one. Write any code over there, close it, click on text, write a heading, select any code, paste over there, and now change the font, whatever you want. Change the color of the font, white, give it effect, this one, and the color should be black, like this. Hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.